Hi guys, you are welcome to Jibril Enterprise. In today's video, we are going to talk about native potato, scientifically known as Solenostemon rotundifolius. It is also known by its common names Hausa potato, country potato, and Frafra potato. It is not a regular potato nor a sweet potato, but it is underutilized potato-like crop commonly cultivated in the northern Ghana for its food. It is cherished most due to its nice aroma when cooked or fried. It is commonly called pesa among the northern tribes in Ghana. This potato is one of the neglected species with potential for commercialization. To grow Frafra potato, there are two propagation methods being used in Ghana by the peasant farmers. These methods include the use of the potato tuber and stem cuttings. To use the potato tuber for propagation, first make your ridges or bed as portraying. Kindly dress the bed to obtain uniform surface. Please note, Frafra potato has long-term set dormancy as its propagation limitations. To break this dormancy before planting, the tubers are stored in airtight material or plastic and are stored under room temperature for about 6 to 8 weeks. After this period, you can open the content to see if they have started sprouting. Please note, only the sprouted sets are planted on the bed using double-rolled spacing of 16 to 25 centimeters between plants and 50 to 70 centimeters between rows, with planting depth of 3 to 5 centimeters deep into the soil to expose the sprouts. Do not plant non-sprouted sets because they may never sprout again if planted. The planted sets will start to emerge on the surface of the bed after 2 to 3 weeks after planting. At week 6 to 8, they will start to open more branches to cover the soil surface horizontally to about 30 to 50 centimeters to meet the other roll to cover the entire bed. Please ensure weed control whenever you notice weed on the bed, as portraying at Jibril Enterprise. At week 10 to 12, they will start to produce flowers, indicating the start of Frafra potato tuber formation. At this stage, their branches begin to lie horizontally on the bed to start shooting potatoes. Please note, both the main plant roots and the stems produce potatoes. At week 14 to 16, or close to the 4th month after planting, the plants of Frafra potato begin to show signs of maturity. These signs include yellowing and dying of leaves and flowers. After noticing these signs, prompt harvesting is followed to reduce post-harvest losses. Tuber formation occurs at a radius of about 10 centimeters around the main plant. These tubers are bigger in sizes than tubers formed by the stems of the plant. Its harvesting requires intensive labor since it involves turning of soil and picking of tubers. After harvesting, the tubers are then sorted according to sizes, that's smaller and larger ones, and are cured by spreading them under well-ventilated dry shade for 2 to 3 weeks to reduce moisture content of the tubers for sweet consumption. The larger tubers are processed and are consumed or are sold in the local market, while the smaller tubers are stored as sets for next season planting. The average yield of Frafra potato, according to farmers in Ghana, is 5 to 15 tons per hectare. Please note, on a commercial scale of Frafra potato production, stem cutting method of propagation is recommended. This will help to minimize the too much use of tubers as planting material. To plant them using stem cuttings, temporary pre-season nursery beds are made and the Frafra potatoes tubers are planted on them. This pre-season nursery is done 2 to 3 months prior to planting season, which often begins in May to mid-June in Ghana. When the plants reach 2 to 3 months on their nursery bed, the stems are then cut, ensuring that each cutting has 2 nodes for easy establishment when they are transplanted to the permanent field. To cook Frafra potato at home, first wash the potatoes in clean water to remove soil particles. Rinse the potatoes again in fresh water to ensure there is no soil remains on them. Put the potatoes in the cooking pot as portrayed. Add water to the content as showing. Then add table salt to the content to give extra taste to the potato. and cover the content. Place the cooking pot on a burner or a source of heat to boil the content. Allow it to boil for about 20 to 25 minutes. After this stage, your Frafra potato will be ready to be eaten as food or snack. Kindly pour them on an open plate to release heat for easy consumption. Now it is ready for household consumption. As portraying, every individual, that's children and adults, enjoy eating Frafra potato in Ghana. The texture of the Frafra potato is just like normal potato. Please note, Frafra potato can also be peeled and fried just like yam. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly follow us on this channel for our subsequent videos. Bye bye for now.